heard the house so quiet.
Me neither.
Can you hear that, Triggs? I've never really heard that ticking before.
Oh, yes.
Let's find out what's making it. There it is.
This big clock's always been here, but we've never really noticed it before.
I wonder what other treasures we can hear in our house. Did you hear that?
Oh, it's a squeaky floorboard.
Let's both have a go.
Oh,
Ah, yes. I've been meaning to fix that.
Can you hear that, Triggs?
sounds like it's coming from the kitchen. Let's go find out. What? Not more water?
It's actually kind of a cool sound.
You two are being very quiet.
Yeah, being quiet means we can hear all the tiny noises in the house.
Like this dripping tap.
Yes. Been meaning to fix that.
Listen to all these tiny noises.
The quieter we are, the louder the tiny noises get.
I wonder how loud the noises would be if we were tiny too.
Oh, let's be as quiet as teeny tiny things. Wow, now they really are loud sounds.
Hey, there's sounds that make me want to sing. There's the knock, knock, knock of the pipes.
The squeak, squeak, squeak of the floor.
The drip, drip, drip of the tap.
The jingle of the keys of the door.
There are lots of sounds I never heard before. It's the rhythm of the house and I want to hear more. This house rocks. Listen closely.
This house rocks.
Did you hear that sound?
This house rocks.
Because there's music. And you hear it rocking all around. There's the tick, tick, tick of the clock.
The ding of the oven making our tea.
The clack of the letters in the letterbox.
I hope there's a letter just for me.
There are lots of sounds I never heard before. It's the rhythm of the house and I
I
want to hear more.
This house rocks.
Listen closely.
This house rocks.
Did you hear that sound?
This house rocks.
Because there's music. And you hear it rocking all around. Knock, knock.
Squeak, squeak.
Drip, drip.
Jingle, jingle.
Ding, ding.
Clack, clack. This house rocks. This house rocks.
Listen closely.
This house rocks.
Did you hear that sound?
This house rocks.
Because there's music.